In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable ad blocker in Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Let's get started right from your Chrome browser. First, make sure Chrome is open and you're on the website where you're having an issue, like a page that tells you to turn off your ad blocker before you can continue. Keeping that page open will make it easier to see the changes take effect as you go. Now, look to the very top right corner of Chrome. You'll see a small puzzle piece icon. This is the Extensions button. Go ahead and click on that. A small drop-down menu will appear, showing you all the extensions currently active in your browser. Here, you're looking for anything that mentions AdBlock, AdBlock Plus, uBlock, or anything similar that clearly looks like an ad blocker. Once you spot the ad blocker extension, click on the three dots or options icon next to its name. From this menu, choose the option that opens the extension's settings or details page. On that page, you'll usually see a main switch or toggle at the top. To completely disable the ad blocker in Chrome, turn that switch off. When the toggle is off, the extension is no longer active and will stop blocking ads on all sites. If you only want to turn it off for a specific website rather than every site you visit, there's another way. Go back to the site that's asking you to disable your ad blocker. Look again at the top right corner of Chrome, near the address bar. You may see the ad blocker's icon there. Click that icon and a small panel will open. Most ad blockers include an option like Pause on this site, Don't run on this page, or Allow ads on this site. Select that option. This tells the ad blocker to stay active elsewhere, but to allow ads on this particular website. After you've either turned the extension off completely or paused it for the site you're on, refresh the page. You can do this by clicking the refresh button next to the address bar or by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. The page should now reload without the ad block warning, and you'll start to see ads appearing again. And that's all you need to do to disable an ad blocker in Google Chrome on your laptop or PC, either for all sites or just for specific ones.